Oh, keep going.
Yep.
I've got a challenge for you today.
Oh, is it?
What is it? Well, you know I'm a big believer in doing things that you should do that you're not tested on. And did you see that the car was quite dirty?
Shut up! Get me out of the car. I'm not. No, Lily told me you were going to do this. Lily told me. She said, Richard's going to make you do a car wash.
Did she?
Yeah, but she just said, be prepared. You might take you for a car wash. Are we going in the car wash then?
Yeah.
Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called MyFirst, specialist in young driver insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal
I've done this
with.
before.
I know you haven't done this before.
Rebecca's not cool like this. Rebecca wouldn't take me to things like that.
Yeah, I hope you listened to that, Rebecca. Rebecca's not cool. Not like me.
Okay. Oh, hang on. Well, that not there. It's
Oh.
next second left.
Oh.
Yeah, you go.
I was going to the train station.
Going left then. Right, slow it right down. You're in third gear. You have to go all the way to the end here.
All the way to the end. Oh, I'm nervous.
I mean, we will be doing a multi-story car park at some point.
We won't though.
Oh, yes, we will. Slow down. Slow down. First gear then. Slow it right down.
We won't be in a multi-story car. I'm scared of heights.
Oh, I won't be asking you to abseil. They've got lifts. We're going to high cross. It'll be fun.
What, you making me drive to Leicester?
You will do. Just.
Oh, so do we wait where these numbers are? These are numbers.
That's the speed limit, that is.
Oh, whoops.
I do need means of payment here. Here we go. So we're going to go. I'm going to push the boat out today. Go for the triple foam.
The triple foam?
Yeah. Right, nudge it up then.
Wait, it's quite cheap. I thought it'd be really expensive.
Yeah. It's not quite as thorough as a hand car wash, but it does the job. A lot of people don't like these things. They say, oh, it's scratch and shine and things like that. And they say it damages your car. It doesn't really.
Oh, I've not done this before.
I know.
The thing is, I've cleaned the Fiat, but I did that myself. I quite
You saved
enjoyed.
yourself £8.50.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, going backwards there.
Yeah, just a little bit of clutch control. Just even use just your clutch. Not getting too close to that bollard, are we? Drop the window.
Oh, yeah.
You got it. Hello. I'll have the triple wash. There you go. Exciting, isn't it? Right,
Make sure the window's up.
Yeah. Good tip. Tip number one.
Imagine. Is it my turn?
He looks like he's giving you a lot of space. There you go. Don't run him over.
Imagine.
We need him.
No, I prefer working.
It's instant satisfaction, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Okay, here we are. So we can. Whoa, hello. Whoa, hello.
I'm coming, I promise. I'm just scared.
Okay, get off the brake. Stop using the brake as a clutch.
Oh wait, so we're going to, is it a machine we go in?
Yes.
Oh, I thought they just did the whole thing. Wait, do I drive when I do it though?
Yeah, what they do, they'll put some coats on in a minute and push the car through. He's asking you to go for that. There you go. Look.
Oh.
No, straight in the wheel. Maybe.
How do I do
No,
that?
that's not straight. That's straight. That's it. You got it.
Ah! I don't like this.
Don't like it.
No.
It's fun. You and your anxiety are going to love this.
Satisfying though, but what if the window breaks and we...
Then we get wet, I guess. Right, man says go forward. I think,
Oh.
No, not that way. That way. Look, man says that way.
What?
There you go. Right, okay. Forwards, he says, look. Stop. Okay, now, get the handbrake off, put it into neutral. Come off the pedals. Honestly, off the pedals. There we go.
Wait, how did he just do that?
Well,
What are we doing now?
we're being taken through the car wash.
I don't like the lack of control I've got right now.
Yeah, it's alright, it's okay. It's my car. I'm not going to let anything happen to it. Where's the triple foam? It's supposed to be triple colours.
Wait, the wheel's moving. That's creepy, I don't like
It's a
it.
bit weird, isn't it?
Would you ever get in one of them cars in America that don't have a driver?
No. I'll be out of a job. I'm going to advocate that.
I would never. I don't get how that works. That creeps me out.
The thing is, people like driving.
Yeah.
Some are having, would you get an automatic motorbike? No, I love getting a motorbike because I'm riding a motorbike.
They have automatic?
No, of course they have automatic. No, they don't have automatic motorbikes. Not yet. Hasn't been. You need force to counter steer it. Will never happen.
What the hell? flashing what we're getting.
Okay. What's it flashing? Oh, that's the wash we've had.
Yeah.
Yes, in case you've forgotten.
Car gonna be sparkling now.
Oh yes.
Oh, wow.
According to IMO, it will be. According to car valleters, no. Professional car valeter, someone turns up and go, "What do you think you're doing to your car?
Yeah.
You're killing it."
Oh.
Yeah, they get a bit. I don't know what the
Well,
answer is.
look at sparkly that one is.
It is sparkly. So does it do a good job? Does it not do a good? It does a good enough job for my car.
Yeah. I wonder what you get for the ceramic one at the top.
Oh, everything.
£8.50. Would I do it personally? I'm not sure. I expected a bit more. Expected some bright lights or like
A disco, like a
expected-
disco spoons.
I did expect a bit
Have you
more.
been to a disco spoons? Are they good fun? It's like spoons with disco.
Maybe I'll have a look. Now that car looks like it's been nicely washed.
That's been nicely washed.
Does it feel weird when you gain control again?
Not really.
Well,
And whatever you do, don't open the windows now.
I don't know.
If I say to you, don't open the
Wait,
windows.
what, is that a fan?
Yes.
Oh.
Got a hair wash, got a hairdryer. See, it's quite hard to negotiate that, isn't it? If we do it for the first time, that'd be quite a challenge, wouldn't it?
Yeah. But you know, with that multi-story, I'd only ever go to the 3rd floor because I'm scared of lifts. So I'd only ever go to the 3rd floor. So I think we should only go to the 3rd floor.
What happens if it's full up?
But no, when I have my own like Fiat, when I'm driving her, if there's no room on the 3rd floor, then
Well, you always walk downstairs if you're scared of lifts.
yeah, no. But I think the stairs only last until.
No, they don't.
Do they not?
No. What if the electricity went down in the fire? I can't say everyone's stranded because the lift's not working. Of course you have stairs all the way to the
Why
top.
have I? Oh, I've only ever.
Right,
thought that-
ready for the green light.
Yeah.
Get the car started then. Clutch down. You just turned it off.
Oh shit. Oh.
Yay. Off you go then. Right, handbrake on. Oh, she can
Is it
move.
on?
There's a car behind us. There we go. Marvellous. Well done.
Okay.
On sparkly car.
Yeah. Is this the...
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.